Welcome back to another video. So we have a special truck today, GCD SCANIA S730 enclosed double deck tow truck. I had seen this last year December and I wanted to get it, but at that point of time it was too expensive for me. And then after eyeing it for months, I saw the same truck listed on Facebook for a really good price, and I got that deal. So there's a instruction manual. This time it's Chinese and not Japanese like the Tomica, since GCD is a Chinese product, I guess. GCD is one of my favorite brands. Yeah, so usually people have many stories to tell about their actual cars, but past 1 year in this hobby, I've been having many stories to tell while acquiring these kind of models, and this also has an interesting story. So I got this model from a seller in Bangalore, and we decided we'll meet in a metro station to finalize the deal and exchange the model. So I don't remember the station's name exactly. This thing happened around March 2024, a week after the Rameswaram incident. So I went to this metro station and I got this truck, and I was returning back in the same metro. And what happened is, when I put my bag for scanning with this particular box, all the guards who are there in the metro station came and stopped me because this looked suspicious because of its packaging. It looked something which is dangerous and was detected because of the heavy metal body. And then I had to explain them what is it and what is this hobby about, and there is a hobby like this and what do people do and all those things. And then after several explanations, they left me. Yeah, so I'll show you the model. No fault of the seller though. He was a nice guy. So, it's a very heavy model. And I remember when I got the model, the back door was very tight. And the seller wanted me to, thankfully. So usually the people whoever get this model end up breaking the some part or the other of this because it has very delicate hinges, and I think this is one of the most delicate models that I have, with many opening parts. So I'll just show the model. So you can see it has a nice Scania badging on the front. That was the radiator grille. Has a nice mirrors too, ORVM. The paint quality and the livery also looks good, and has a steerable front wheel. Now what makes it very special is the opening parts. So the cab is openable, not the front door, the whole cab. You can see the engine. You can see that the engine is placed under the cab like the real one. Latched, and it has a sunroof too. Fancy. I love trucks like these. Yeah, so when I got this particular door was very tight and I thought I'll end up breaking, but with patience and thanks to WD-40 I was able to open this safely. So this is the ramp, and you can extend this too. And this goes up and down. It's very scary to do that though. Hopefully I don't end up breaking this on the video. Yeah, I don't want to do it. I don't want to risk it. It has this thing also openable, as you can see in the image of the box. Yes, this ramp, I did get it like this. I did not want to fix it with glue and leave dirty glue marks because it's not that big a deal. And this thing goes up. You can place one car above and one car down, and you can open the other side too. Yeah. See, this is I'll take my usual reference Hot Wheels car. I don't think the actual Ford 150 will be fittable inside this. The Americans call this itself a truck, so I don't think it'll go inside the truck. But let's test it though. And I have one more test vehicle. I'll place one vehicle above. Yeah, you can see there's a stand over here also for the ramp, and this also goes up. Let's see. I think I'm doing this for the first time. Oh yeah, it doesn't move front. You just have to place it like this, I guess. Like how you do for the hood of the car. Yeah. Let's place one car over here. I think I'm doing it the right way. I don't know. Or like this. I don't remember the pictures too, the sample pictures. Maybe I'll see the picture. For now, I'll just place it like this. Yeah. overall finish of the truck is really awesome. I have to figure about this thing, the lift over here. This was my first truck in 164 scale, a transporter, and there is a lot of accessories too that comes with it. I'll show you the accessories. So there's a plastic spatula kind of thing to open the parts and fidget around. I haven't used that. And then there's 2 Ferrari stickers. I think they couldn't stick the Ferrari logo because they don't have the licensing for that. So they gave it, and we can do it like an aftermarket, like we can stick it on our own. And there are a few hinges, like you can see over here, these hinges. And I think this is a stopper for the vehicle. This hinges, they are placed over here, and you can keep it lifted while getting the vehicle inside, I guess, rather than lowering it fully. Yeah. It has a nice licensing plate details too over here. TP6558. You can see the details. Reflectors, indicators. Let's see the underbody. Underbelly also looks well detailed. Axles, tires, rubber tires, pneumatics. Where did that come from? I'll place this later, maybe. I'll fix it. You can see how well detailed it is. They have even done some interior detailing as well for the cab. Owning a real one must be fun, I guess. I hope you like this video. For more such videos like this, do subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and do follow me on Instagram as well. And if you have any queries regarding this truck, you can message me or you can drop it in the comment section. I will reply. Thank you.